कल्याण येथील वेस्टर्न रीज इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल आणि अश्वा स्पोर्ट्स वर्ल्ड अकॅडमी यांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमाने आयोजित फादर्स कप 2026 सेशन 1 क्रिकेट स्पर्धेला उत्स्फूर्त प्रतिसाद मिळाला। वडिलांसाठी खास आयोजित करण्यात आलेल्या या स्पर्धेत क्रिकेट सोबत क्रीडा भावना, मैत्री आणि कौटुंबिक ऐक्याचा सुंदर संगम अनुभवायला मिळाला। स्पर्धेच्या उद्घाटनासाठी मान्यवर पाहुणे म्हणून दत्तात्रय दळवी, स्वप्नील दळवी, संदेश देते आणि वसंत राज पुरोहित उपस्थित होते। अंतिम सामन्यात विनस वायपर्स संघाने शानदार खेळ करत विजेतेपद पटकावले तर लुनार सायन्स संघ उपविजेता ठरला। वैयक्तिक पुरस्कारामध्ये प्रकाश नासरे यांना मॅन ऑफ द सिरीज, आकाश खरात यांना सर्वोत्कृष्ट फलंदाज आणि समीर नेते यांना सर्वोत्कृष्ट गोलंदाज पुरस्काराने गौरवण्यात आले। आयोजकांनी सहभागी खेळाडू, त्यांचे कुटुंबीय, स्वयंसेवक आणि उपस्थित मान्यवरांचे आभार मानत फादर्स कप हा केवळ क्रिकेटचा नाही तर कुटुंबीय फिटनेस आणि एकोप्याचा उत्साह असल्याचे सांगितले।
Myself is Dattatray Dalvi, Chairman Western Ridge International School. Today's program is actually Father's Cup for cricket. On the occasion of Father's Day, we were organized it, but that day it was not got possible to arrange. So today we have arranged it today. Theme behind this कि school में हमने trainers. This theme we have arranged in the school. यानी जो parents है, they are the main trainers of their children. That program we have arranged for the academics. With academics, sports is also that much, I will say, more than that important. So parents should be aware about the sports. So we have arranged the Father's Cup for cricket. Thereafter there will be a Father's Cup for football and Father's Cup for swimming also, because parents should get aware about the sports and they will automatically motivate to their children, and school will get balance with academics and sports. And this is the theme of the school, so we have arranged this program today. My theme is this कि daily children should be minimum 1 to 2 hours in the ground, not only in the academics or classrooms. And this is our, I will say, new emerging student. She is only in the first standard, only 7 years baby, but daily she is doing her practice for 15 hours. And Akash sir is her coach, and he has decided that I will take this girl up to the international level, and so he is taking his hard work, as well as Shreyash is there. He is also daily doing practice for 15 hours, and Akash sir has designed the goal to take them up to the international level, and this is the best thing of this school, I will say. So Western Ridge International School is the best school, I will say, in Thane district, because it has balanced both the things, academics with the help of international scholarship, that is Olympiad, and with the help of all sports, they are getting confidence, concentration and consistency. Thank you.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव प्रकाश नासरे। सर्वप्रथम मी वेस्टर्न राईड स्कूलला थँक्यू म्हणतो की त्यांनी फादर्स डेच्या उपलक्षामध्ये हा कार्यक्रम अरेंज केला। त्यामुळे सर्व पॅरेंट्सला एकत्र येऊन खेळण्याचा मौका मिळाला आणि अशा प्रकारे एका मॅचमध्ये मी खेळताना मॅन ऑफ द मॅच हे मिळवलेले। धन्यवाद वेस्टर्न राईड स्कूल, थँक्यू।
राहुल कांबळे, जनशक्ती, कल्याण।